Welcome, today I'm with Nokia G50 5G and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first go to the settings and here find the sound, tap on that, right there tap to the advanced, and now you'll see the default notification sound. Just click here and you can change your notification sound from these available sounds. Also you can add the notification by tapping on the plus from the Google Drive, for example, or for your phone music. So now tap just to OK, and as can you see, our notification sound has changed successfully. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.